Easier, safer, more efficient, totally supported. What if upgrading your production line looked like this? When you power up your operations with Amcor Moda packaging solutions, it does.
Whether it's a completely new line or just one element, our whole offer, our whole approach to technology is built around making connecting easy. Our modular equipment, supported by expert technical teams, is the efficient way to connect the world's most advanced packaging solutions into your operation. Seamless transition, maximum output, no disruptions, just results.
When you and your team have fewer worries about managing downtime and reducing leakers, you have more time to concentrate on what matters: maximizing production, lowering total packaging costs, and boosting profit. Accelerate your business with Amcor Moda packaging solutions.
Easier to operate, maintain, and clean, our cutting-edge automation technologies deliver everything you need to power up your operations. By driving down costs through reducing labor requirements and improving efficiency, we leave you free to maximize your production. And when your team has access to our best-in-class films, delivering increased appeal, reducing leakers, and products that perform better on shelf, it's easy to make your products the first choice for your customers.
Higher quality output, lower total packaging cost, less downtime. It's all possible when Amcor's Calibrate team optimizes the connection between your product, packaging, and production. With this expert team by your side, it's easier to choose a better solution.
The Calibrate team is built on over 1,000 years of experienced technicians. That's decades of working with our customers to increase performance, quality, and throughput in their operations. Our experts provide 24/7 nationwide technical support service. We're available when and where you need us. Working by your side, we're committed to helping you run, maintain, and optimize your business.
Choose Amcor for the perfect mix of expert people, cutting-edge equipment, and industry-leading films. Choose the easier way to better packaging.